What is it, Benny? Why are you crying? You such a whiner. Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I had to go back to Trader Joe's. I had to drive into Orlando. I needed to go to IKEA to pick up some things there. Plus I had a $10 off coupon. What is it, Ben? You stressing, bud? Go take a nap. You okay? Okay, so I had to go to IKEA to pick up a few things and use my $10 off coupon before it expired. And then there was somewhere else. Oh, Nordstrom Rack. I had ordered some fingerless gloves from Nordstrom Rack and they were too big. So I returned those. I ordered them online, but they didn't have them in the store. So on my way back, I just thought, oh, let me swing into Trader Joe's, and I'm glad I did. I got me another money tree. I already have about 4 of these or 5, but I got another one. He's super cute. And then I picked up some goodies that I had ran out. Of course, I had to get me some more chocolate hummus. I should have gotten 2 containers of this. This is only like $1.99, but I just got one. And then I'm out of mustard, so I just picked up some mustard, my samosas, my vegetable samosas. I had to get some more of those. I bought some from Publix, and it wasn't Publix brand. I don't know what brand it is in Publix, but they were just not the same. Was it Publix or Walmart? Which one? I don't know which one it was, but they didn't taste the same at all. These here taste more original. They taste more like the ones from India, and I know because I actually have traveled to India and I've had samosas in India and they were absolutely amazing. So these taste very similar to those as opposed to the ones that I got from, I don't even remember if it was Publix or Walmart. Then I had to get me some more mochi because these are so good. The last time I tried the green tea flavor, which was good. It tastes like ice cream, green tea ice cream. So it tastes exactly how it said it would. But these to me are yummy. So I got 2 boxes of vanilla flavored mochi. And then I got tikka masala. This is another one that I bought from Publix. It was Publix, and it's not their brand, but it's the one that they sell in there because they don't have a lot to choose from. And yeah, it was no bueno at all. So I was very grateful to be able to run into Trader Joe's today and get some more of my goodies. This tikka masala to me is so amazing. And so I got 3 boxes of those. And then I did not know that they sold Impossible brand in Trader Joe's, but this was the only thing I saw in there today, the chicken nuggets. So I just got another bag of these. I didn't see the Impossible patties or the sausages. The Impossible savory sausages are so good that I guess it's catching on or something's going on. I can't seem to grab them in the store now. I've been trying to pick them up from Walmart for, what is it, bud? I'll make this video really short because Bentley is fiending for my attention and I've been gone for some hours now. I literally just got home and I'm about to make me something to eat. But before I did, I just wanted to show you my Trader Joe's somewhat haul where I'm just picking up items that I needed. I was out of ketchup, so I picked up their ketchup. And this is so good. I said this once before in another video that fried rice is really good, their brand. And then I love sweet potato fries, but I've never had Trader Joe's sweet potato fries, but everything else I've had from Trader Joe's is good. So I figured those would be good too. And then also, as I said on my way out, I saw this buddy here and I had to get him. He's so cute. But anyway, I was just picking up just a few things, not a whole lot, from Trader Joe's, and I wanted to come in and show you what I got. Let me go ahead and tend to my little Bentley. He wants my attention. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.